To factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 via recovery mode, what you need to do is, first of all, you will have to force restart your Galaxy Watch 9, which can be done by pressing and holding these two buttons. And we're just gonna press and hold them, and we just need to wait for the smartwatch to shut down. So once the screen turns off, you can release both buttons, and then we need to wait for the rebooting text that is going to appear after a short while. Unfortunately, Galaxy Watch 9 seems to be very slow when force restarting, so we have to be really patient with that. But once you will see the rebooting text, you will have to keep pressing the home button until you pretty much open the specific menu. I'm not entirely sure, I don't remember how it is exactly called, but I'm gonna show you in this video how it looks like. So let's just wait for the rebooting text. There we go, and now we're just gonna keep pressing the home button. And once the rebooting text disappears, you can actually stop pressing it. And there we go, this is the menu that I talked about. This is the reboot mode. And in here, you want to press the home button once to switch to the second option, which is the recovery boot, and then press and hold the home button. And once the menu disappears, release the button. Your Galaxy Watch 9 is going to reboot again. And then we should see the recovery mode. Here, we want to navigate by using the back button or the lower button. So you want to press it once to select wipe data / factory reset, and then you want to confirm it by pressing the home button. So essentially, you navigate by using the back button, and you select or confirm the selected option by pressing the home button here. So back button for navigation, home to confirm the selected option. And once that is done, you should be able to, of course, factory reset your watch. And in case you go back here to this menu, you want to simply choose the Reboot System Now option just to restart your watch and go back to the normal mode, in case it doesn't restart automatically after erasing all data. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.